What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today going to hang out with Tyler. He is starting up his BMW possibly for the first time, hopefully today. He if you haven't seen any of my older videos, his BMW's been in a couple of my videos, but his car's been down for like a month and a half, putting a turbo on it. So today's probably gonna be the first startup, so hopefully everything goes well. We're gonna go hang out with him, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hanging out your door.
Do I?
Yeah.
God damn it, Bree. That's her fault.
Shit, I gotta go get him.
This is a repeat last time.
Yeah, I know.
Bree, babe, if you're watching this, please make sure that the seatbelt's not sticking out of the door when you get out. Because that's probably embarrassing as hell, going down the road with that hanging out. Right. Finally got your face diaper?
What?
Your face diaper?
Yeah. Dude, I'm stuck these in the wash. I know you're supposed to wash them, but I fucking totally forgot about them. But I mean, they're held up, so.
Yeah, you're really not supposed to wash them, are you?
No, I think you're supposed to.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not, no, fucking.
I think they're disposable ones, aren't they?
Yeah, but fuck it.
Oh well, fuck it. Shout out to my dude Obsidian50. He's probably not here. He works for Geek Squad. But man, last time I seen this thing, he was not on bags, and I must say this thing is freaking beautiful the way it's sitting right now. Yeah, man. Got this at Best Buy. That's why we're at Best Buy. And I also went to AutoZone where I got spark plugs, but that's what spark plugs look like. Got the spark plugs for the supercharger, the Tr6. So got all that done. And now we are at Tyler's grandparents. Getting his Beamer ready for the first startup with the turbo setup.
Just go a little more to the right. Yeah, right there. Oh, you got it. Climbing off the 943. Cute, yeah.
That's nice.
Ass before.
It smelled like that.
Well, how do you know what ass smells like?
I know what ass smells like because when you fucking get everything on yourself at
So
Subway.
that means you was smelling someone's ass before.
When you get everything on yourself at Subway, you fucking rip ass.
Always knew you smelled ass, dude.
No.
I always knew it. So we're doing the motor mounts?
Yep.
Oh joy. Just took this wheel off over here to get to the motor mount a little bit easier. Yeah, we're both new to this, I guess. Here's the old mount. And there we go, it's all on.
Yeah, if you ever look at like heavy equipment and stuff, you had a lot of turbos and stuff get burned up. Going down the road, it creates a vacuum.
Yeah.
And it'll actually suck and spin that turbo and actually burn the bearings out of the turbo before you even start it.
Do you want to explain to the video what y'all doing?
All your head drains and all that stuff is good. It's not all sludged up. You get those straight through pretty good.
Pap is pouring diesel fuel down here to get all the oil shavings out and everything like that.
Yeah, because you had to drill, right?
Yeah, you had to drill in the oil pan.
Yeah. So it's getting some of those shavings out. We're going to put you some fresh, moist oil in there. Moist. So now we are hooking up the exhaust to the downpipe while the oil is draining. Well, diesel fuel is draining. Went ahead and switched to the GoPro because it's easier to be hands-free. But I'm cross-eyed now, but
You got them all started with that one?
That's just
Guys, this is the pain, the real pain in the ass part is getting behind the turbo to hook the exhaust up to it. But you got this shock tower in the way. Is it the same one that I tried getting in?
What?
Is it the same one that I tried doing?
No, I was going from the very bottom.
The very bottom? So there's that one, and there's that one, and there's that one, and there's that one, there's all the way on the bottom. The rest of them started, right?
Yeah, there's only 5 of them, so there's only 2 more.
Buy a BMW, they said. It'll be fun, they said. No, turbo a BMW, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
They lied.
No. Oh, man.
Lucky. I got mine done.
I feel the hole.
Oh, do you? Do you feel the hole?
I feel the hole.
Hey.
The hole feels nice. Dude, it's impossible. Jeez.
It's spinning.
What's spinning?
The ratchet.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Look who finally decided to show up. Using my detail stuff. Well, where'd you go? You know you can't polish a turd, right? Huh? You can't polish a turd, you know that, right? I'm playing. Guys, these BMWs are a pain. She a tight fit, hey?
Yeah, a little bit. You're gonna get demonetized from me being shirtless.
Nipples.
Maybe you should get a picture of his face.
If it goes kablooey, just zoom in on it.
Because it might go, woo.
Yeah, you're fine turning over like that. We still get oil pressure.
You run the battery there?
Yeah, and it never got a drop out oil out.
That for the battery leaks just because something's wrong right there.
No, you never got any oil out of here yet.
Line clogged?
Turn over or should I?
Yeah, we took the line off and blew through it.
Really? It blew fine?
Yeah.
What would be causing that then? Unfortunately, it didn't really get started today.
No, it wasn't building enough. It didn't build enough oil pressure because we only had a little bit of oil in the oil filter.
Yeah.
So it needs oil filter gets it needs to circle through the oil filter first before it gets oil anywhere else.
Into that line, so that's
Yeah.
why. So he's got to crank it some more, really.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna put more oil in it because it's gonna take a little bit when it gets to the turbo, but tomorrow hopefully. But
Yeah, hopefully. Then after tomorrow, there's gonna be a second video for Thursday, and we're gonna do a car edit. Since we're doing naturally, one more ride and naturally aspirated.
Yep.
So, yeah, guys, gonna start the supercharger soon. So, hopefully that all goes well and I can get a email tune quick. We're back here again on day 2.
Day 467.
Well, day 2 for me. But for you, probably like 400 days. No, he's messing with the intercooler, seeing the fitment on that. But as you saw last night, we started priming the oil and we had a little bit of a hard time getting oil up to the oil line, but it turns out I have to crank it for a good bit for it to start priming the oil. That's what you said, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's your struggle? Still can't, same thing? Or you can't get the clamp back together?
Can't get the clamp back together.
Oh, no.
We're getting the band back.
Okay guys, so installing a radiator now. We was test fitting the intercooler earlier. But
These fucking clamps. I don't know why BMW does this.
it's German engineering, dude.
I don't want to clamp this in yet. I need to get that hose.
But over here, I went to go fly the drone. I was about walking over to fly it. So I dropped the controller, and literally, when the controller dropped, it ripped the wire out of the antenna. So far it's still getting signal from the controller to the drone. But I think the range is going to be messed up on it. But I'm going to test it out once the rain stops. It was not even supposed to rain today. For me, that's a sign that I shouldn't have flew, because I was going to fly pretty far and it started raining pretty good. So That's good probably, but it looks like it's a simple fix. Looking on YouTube, it looks like you can just hot glue this wire back into place. Hopefully that's how it works, but yeah, I might just take the controller apart and try to fix the wire. Update on the drone controller. Got this super glue wherever it went. I don't even know where the super glue went. Oh, use that super glue. I don't know if super hot, or I can't even talk great. Super glue, and stuck the wire back to where it belongs, and fingers crossed it doesn't pull out again. Alrighty, she's all back together. Will the antenna work? I don't know. Hopefully, I made sure I had a good connection. And like I said, I super glued it so it couldn't move. So it's pretty solid in there, so fingers crossed it works. If not, I guess I'll either be getting a new controller or a new antenna, one of the two. This rain. Ugh. So, I don't know if you guys know about these problems or if you've had this problem, but this roof tends to leak right here and gets rust. So, we're going to try and fix that. He said you could probably fix it with some clear silicone, so hopefully that'll fix it up. But yeah, and it's actually starting to ruin the headliner, so I definitely gotta get it fixed. The whole thing is soaked. We out here, she's doing a TikTok on my phone for me because I don't know how to do transitions. And Wyatt, I copied this from him, so. Oh. We gotta run over here now. Dude, she looks beautiful with the tire shining tire layers, but the tire layers will not stick whatsoever. Yeah, guys, if you don't follow me on TikTok, it's ReaperGT. It's pretty simple. I make sometimes stupid stuff for simple car edits on my phone. But yeah, she's doing one for me now, so I'm going to give her credits for that one. Some trial and error with the TikTok, but it's all good.
Oh, that transition was shit.
You can't go down hard because it fucks up the transition.
Okay.
You're talking to someone that had like 4K on TikTok. That's not a lot, but still.
Alrighty guys, it's a very nice day. It was a very long weekend. I was filming throughout the whole weekend. So it's the start of the video all the way till now, which is Monday. That was the whole weekend filming the whole thing. So yeah, unfortunately we get the BMW started this weekend like we wanted to. There was complications. Things got slowed down. But we did start to crank it, as you saw in the one part of the video, to start to prime the oil, and we didn't know why I was getting oil after cranking it for about 2 minutes. Turns out with this setup, you have to crank it a good bit for it to start to get oil, which is normal on the BMW forums. But both cars, the BMW and the Mustang are going to be boosted. This is like the iconic duo of the channel. The BMW was like the OG duo at first when the channel first came out, when I first started the channel. He was the first one to cruise with me in the video, so yeah, that's like the dynamic duo on the channel. So both of them will be boosted this year. Hopefully both cars will survive and not throw any rods. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. Like nothing should really go wrong. We're both running low boost, so nothing really should go too terribly wrong. But hopefully his car is done by the weekend. Hopefully mine's done by the weekend, because guys, I'm starting the supercharger install this weekend. Kenny Bell's sending me a tune. Their tunes are really good. I heard good about their tunes, and honestly, Kenny Bell's tune should go perfect with their supercharger, so nothing should really go wrong with their tune. And yeah, the tune is pretty much straightforward as long as your motor is completely stock besides the supercharger. And what comes with the supercharger, he said I'll be good. Also, I got the Ngk Tr6 Spark Plugs. I got 4 of these. And guys, this is going to sound weird, but I am running one 3-valve spark plug. If you guys don't know, back in like February or March, this thing blew a spark plug, which that means it killed the thread. So I had to go to AutoZone and get a repair kit, and the only repair kit they had is for the 5.4 liter 3-valve. And honestly, the kit worked perfectly. It doesn't stick down in too far because the kit, it came with like a little tap. You screw the tap. You don't even drill it. You screw it in. It makes its own thread, and it gives you just enough clearance for your spark plug to fit perfectly. So I have a 3-valve spark plug, and guys, I know a lot of you guys are going to rag on me for this, but it's been like that ever since February, and the car has been perfect. It's ran fine, no engine codes because of it, literally perfect. So if you throw a spark plug, that's probably like one of the best ways to go is to go to AutoZone. It's like a $50 kit. No, it's a Dorman kit, I believe. But guys, I know a lot of you are gonna rag on me on this. It's probably not the best decision out there. You probably should get a new head. So if anything wrong happens to yours, don't come at me, because I'm just saying that's what I'm doing. Nothing happened with me, but it doesn't mean it'll happen to you. Yeah, so I got the old 3-valve spark plug in there, but it works fine. I mean, the car runs excellent. I mean, it's still got the power it should have, which is not a lot right now, but the supercharger, I gotta get a Tr6 3-valve spark plug, which is fine as long as it has the same heat, whatever you call it, as long as it has like the same heat range. It'll be it should be fine. I've done some research. So alrighty guys, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the superchargers install. I'm not going to go in depth. I'm not going to go like a full installation video, because that would take too much and slow down the process, the installation. I'm going to get bits and pieces of the progress, and I'm going to try to do my best. But guys, don't forget to subscribe. You can't miss this. This car is going to be mean. It's not going to be the fastest 2-valve out there, clearly. There's some that's making 700 horsepower. But this is going to be like around 400, 420, around that range. So, guys, this thing is going to be an animal. And I can't wait. I'm so excited. She's going to whine and everything is going to be amazing. She's, I just can't wait. Alrighty, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And see you guys when the supercharger install starts.